Hello friends, today I am very excited because I bought another equipment for my car. Although I am not going to fit it anywhere in my car, but I believe this is really essential equipment for any car. So you can see in front of my camera there is a box, so I am going to unbox it and let's see what is it inside. And here it is, you can see the pack. Yes, this is a total company one-stop solution they mentioned. And yes, this is high pressure washer. So it's a washer, you can use it anywhere. You can use it for cleaning your car, your scooter, your bike. It's up to you. But I'm going to use it for washing my car and washing my scooter. Okay, let's unpack it and see what is in the box. Okay. So here is the manual. Let's see what was in the box. So, a machine, total machine, then output high pressure pipe, one user manual, one quick connector for input pipe, one gun holder, wire holder, gun extension, then a high pressure gun. So that's it. Okay friends, it's time to test the machine in action. So let's go to my garage and test how it performs. This machine's performance is really great from my point of view, because today I have washed my car and scooter and found that the mud and dust of my car and scooter gone away very easily. So I recommended that you may buy this product for your day-to-day work at home. But I guess this machine is not for commercial use like washing business. For professional use or washing business, you have to buy a higher configured machine. Anyway, so let's discuss about the pros and cons and price of this machine. So pros from my point of view, this machine pressure is really good, enough for home use actually. So lightweight and easy to use, fixed handle, so you can carry it easily, and overall the price is really cheap. This product will cost you only $80, which is equivalent to Taka 6,500. And cons are no input pipe and pipe quick connector, and there is also no foam or shampoo bottle, so you have to invest some money to buy these accessories, so it will cost you actually. And also it's very difficult to find the foam lens for this machine. And that's enough for today. Thank you very much for watching.